I just need you to keep it from tipping that way. Go ahead. Oh, that ramp is big. Son of a bitch. Alright guys, welcome back. In this episode, we are picking up the bike in Buffalo. You may be a little bit confused thinking, well, you already picked up the bike. Actually, we did pick up the bike. We picked it up in Pittsburgh. But because the paperwork wasn't ready, we had to drop it in Buffalo. And so, we went down to Buffalo here for the video, picked up the bike, strapped her on, and bringing her back through customs, bringing her back to Canada. So yeah, in this video, we're going to bring it back. And we're going to start stripping down the bike, the parts bike, which you can kind of see beside me. I've already started. I'm a little bit ahead of you. But check it out.
Ready?
Yeah, go. Okay, almost there. Yeah, bottom's out on that freaking mat. And bottom's out again. Okay, that is harder than it looks, guys. Tried to push a bike up the ramp. Freaking tired out already. It was bottoming it out of the ramp too, so it was fetching up. Alright, we're going to strap it down and then we're on the road. What's going on, guys? So the bike's loaded up behind us here. Les and I got that bad bitch all on there, all tied up, strapped up. But yeah, check out the dealership, guys. This is Bob Weaver Motorsports and Marine. They were actually nice enough to keep the bike for us from Friday till Wednesday until all the paperwork cleared at the border. This is a huge motorcycle shop, guys. You got to check it out. They got Ducatis in here. They got anything you want. Sleds, quads, ATVs.
3400 Niagara Falls Boulevard.
3400 Niagara Falls Boulevard, North Tonawanda, New York. But yeah, check it out, guys. These guys were super helpful. They didn't owe me anything, but I just asked, hey, can you store the bike for a couple days? They did it, no problem. Didn't charge me nothing. Huge service department by the looks of it. Check them out, guys, if you're down in the Buffalo area or anywhere just on the other side of the Canadian border. Huge shop, whatever you want in there. All right, guys, we're heading for the border. Hope the paperwork's good.
We'll take a video there when we're done.
Yeah, we'll take a video. Not probably at the border because they probably won't like that too much, but yeah, we're gonna go find a burger and then we're headed for Canada. Alright guys, so we are back. We successfully exported the bike out of the US, brought it into Canada, paperwork and everything is good. Let me show you the bike, check it out. Got an integrated tail light here. That'll be parting out, I imagine. The tires might be kind of hard to see, but these are Dunlop Sportmax Q3s. Pretty dirty. Calipers are painted red. And this actually has, if I'm not mistaken, this is an R6 header pipe off the bike here. This does not look like a FZ6R pipe. It looks like a set of R6 headers and a slip-on muffler actually. So yeah, I'll be parting that out as well. Tank's in pretty good condition. That'll be going on my bike, I think, and I'll be selling the white one that I have on my bike now. A couple scrapes on the black plastics. But yeah, overall not bad. You can see down here where they cut the, they snipped the ignition. This was a theft recovery bike. There's something on the windscreen here as well. Can't quite make it out, but it's looked like there used to be a vinyl. I don't know if it says blue strobe or blue something racing. I don't know. I can't make it out. Maybe once I clean it up I'll be able to make it out. But yeah, there's your ignition. If anybody knows, the ignition key is all jammed up, it's all busted up. You can see it there. The key doesn't even work in it. But yeah, I'm going to get the wires put back together. If you guys know which colors are which on these, or which wire does what, let me know. Battery removed, I guess, probably at the storage facility. I'll probably message them and see if they have the battery or not. But yeah, overall not bad, guys. I do have the fairings. So here's the fairings. This would be the left side fairing, I believe. It's actually in pretty good shape. There are a couple little scuff marks. Not too bad. Have the right side fairing underneath it. They're so yeah, fairings are probably available. Alright guys, so I got both the bikes in the garage. We're gonna actually start stripping down the nose cone. Get some of the plastic stuff off because I need the nose cone for my bike. Yeah, so let's do it. So I actually figured out what the windscreen says. It says, there was a decal on here before, I believe. It says high strung racing. So if you've heard of it, or this is your bike, by all means, let me know. Get these out. These look stripped. Some of these bolts, so. They're just plastic, these things, so the head's stripped very easily. So I think they've tinted this windscreen. It looks like a tint or something in the back. I would say it's a tint because it's not the whole way down on the screen. There we go, screen's off. Yeah, I don't know if it's a tin or like a plasti dip. It could be a plasti dip on the windscreen. But anyways, that's up for grabs, guys. It may be spoken for already. I'll just find a safe spot for it. Alright, let's start getting some of the plastics off. We'll start with the front vents. Just like that, pull from the nose. Still a little dirty here, guys. I didn't have a chance to actually, I didn't have a chance to clean this part up with the bike because it was under the windscreen, so still a little dirty, but yeah, the cowling looks good. There we go. Other side's off the bike as well. The right side's pretty good. Not many scratches on it. Be a good piece to pick up if you need it. Alright, so yeah. Here's our nose cowling. So it's all intact. There's no cracks. Same as this side, all intact. I don't see any breaks. Another piece off the bike. There we go. Mirrors are off. There you go. Other mirrors off. So yeah, this really is the trophy, I guess, in the salvage bike. I took a chance making sure that this nose cowl, well, I hoped it was good. It looked good from what I saw in the pictures and stuff, and it is. So I lucked out on the nose cowl. I don't think there's anything broken on it. Alright guys, so I'm probably going to end the video here. We're probably around the 15-minute mark. Yeah, so we got some of the plastic stripped off the bike. I am a little bit ahead of you, as you can see. So yeah, next episode we're going to get the nose cowl from this bike. We're actually going to get it on my bike, and maybe we'll try to get this thing started. So far I haven't been able to get it started. There's a bunch of wires that were cut, the ignition, all the wires near the between the rectifier and the stator. Everything's been cut. These guys did a good number on the electrical here. But thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and yeah, keep tuning in. I do it for you guys. Peace.